Alright, so it's finally happening. We're going to Sweden tomorrow. Got a little bit of packing to do. Alright, and that's a wrap for packing. Everything is nice and organized. Computer bag, clothes, and extra stuff slash pea coat. And then clothes for tomorrow, and some extra chargers and stuff that's charging right now. Not gonna bring my smartwatch because even though I love it, it's just something else that needs a battery. It would be a much better choice to choose the old classic G-Shock. Even got our sweet bull boxer boots for the snow. We got everything all packed up. Bag is ready and organized. Secondary bag, extra shoes. Last order of business is, of course, gotta give these guys one last watering. My little succulent collection. Okay, perfect. All watered up, all ready to go. We'll see if they're still alive when I get back. Hopefully they are. All right, Alex.
It's just when the...
What are you most excited for?
to get to Sweden. I am excited to look at Viking culture.
Are you ready for 40-degree and below weather?
Yeah.
After coming from
I know you are.
I'm super excited for that.
Yeah.
You're an Irish man though, so you'll be fine.
Let's go to Dublin.
We can.
Alright, well, it's decided then, I guess.
Okay.
That is a long line. We made it. We got our boarding passes. Now we have to go through security, which actually we have to go over here.
Yeah.
But we made it through.
She went in her video.
Oh, did she? It's the coolest sculpture. That was actually more hectic than we thought it would be, but we have made it.
I got through with my almonds, bro.
He was so scared that those were gonna get taken in security, but he got them. Oh yeah. Big Christmas tree.
Please do not leave.
Food time. Where do you want to go for food?
As long as it isn't $10 for just a sandwich. So this is dinner on a plane with Alex.
Combos.
Combo? I get the pepperoni.
Delicious.
Some pussy beer.
Okay, put you to sleep. That's good.
My almonds that I viewed earlier was the best decision I've ever made.
Those are important.
Yeah. And water.
That's a good choice.
That's it.
Very sensible. Pepperoni pizza combos. Angry Orchard, the best in the land. Alex, we're about to get on. Let's go.
I'm confused already.
Where are we, Alex?
We're in London right now.
We're in London.
We're waiting for our gate to open for Stockholm. Actually, it's open for 3.
Oh shoot, well, we gotta go.
Jag tror vi är redo så att vi måste nog
This is the final flight. We'll be in Sweden
Jag
soon.
hoppas på det.
Let's get a view outside. Take it.
Yeah, it's London. It's all of London right there.
Now we're in England. Now we're in Sweden. We're in Sweden.
The dumbest thing ever.
We did it. Against all the odds. We've made it all the way to Sweden. Somehow.
It's cold, bro.
It is pretty cold.
Yeah, this kid's about to kill us.
We're about to get attacked. But we've made it to Sweden. Phew, we dodged a bullet there. We made it to Sweden. We survived. Now we must find the hostel. And we'll do that right now.
Yeah, let's hit it.
Alex, how are you enjoying Sweden so far?
Yeah, it's so cool. Crap, dude.
It's not actually even that cold. Look at that. That's our hostel right there.
Really?
No. Yeah, we're just two completely foreign guys in a completely foreign country. And we have no idea about anything. We don't speak the language. And we don't even know anything about Sweden. So this should be, the only outcome can be good. So, first night in the hostel, we survived. You get a good night's sleep?
Yeah, it was really good actually.
Yeah, I actually had a good sleep. Now, we have to go get some fika and maybe go see the Vasa today or something.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Kind of just explore, you know.
Yeah.
Free longboard rental.
Yep, longboard rentals for sure.
That's pretty
I'm
cool.
gonna show you this. It's cool. Got like a really cool typewriter. The old school TV. I wonder if that actually works. And this hostel's just like really cool looking. Like all the way in here. Shoe racks. We'll have to do a hostel tour later. That'll be pretty cool. Do something crazy. We decided the best way to find a coffee shop. Let's just look at the best rated one on Google and let's go. Look at Alex ordering his first thing in Sweden. How cute. Dang, you can't get much better than this. That's real fika.
I'm a big fat American.
Cream cheese salmon bagel. Extra shot espresso coffee. And this place is so cool looking. Like, you can see right out on the street. And the chairs are really cool. What do you rate that meal?
I'd say like, honestly like an 8. That was really good.
I give it 10 out of 10. That was one of the best coffees I've ever had.
I'm just being normal here.
I'm being normal too. That's just one of the best coffees I've ever had.
But everything is sweeter in Sweden.
That's true. For Swedish standards, it's an 8. For normal standards, it's a 10.
Yeah, there you go.
Ooh, looks nice. Walking to the train station. I know, it does kind of.
Oh, there's the like.
It's just like a city life.
Swedish burger joint thing right here, back.
This.
The infrastructure is just so nice here.
Yeah, when we get to the old town, this is pretty new town stuff. But once we get to the old town, it's going to be a lot, well, more historical.
Stuff,
yeah. We're attempting to take the train. Not really sure if we're in the right place because nobody's over here. And everybody's on the other side, so hopefully we're not like the only people that want to go to Old Town.
Yeah.
I feel like that's not the case, but look at these cool trains. They're double-decker. Maybe we can go on one of those somewhere. That looks fun. We couldn't figure that out. So we're gonna take the scenic route instead. More fun. Cool. It's pretty cool. Look at that guy. He looks important. So far, we've accomplished pretty much nothing except for getting more coffee. But it's really good coffee though.
We've learned a few things though from a local. What do we learn?
Taksimiket. Not tuck, that means roof apparently. Tak.
And we'll probably plan the rest of how we're gonna spend it here.
I think walking tour, and then if anything else is really interesting, we'll do that, and then go to the Vasa, because everybody says that's actually
It's gonna
good.
be cool.
Access granted. We're going to the Vasa now, so I'm excited for that.
Check out that ship. Can you get that on there?
Yeah. There's some cool ships around here. And some cool scenery.
Yeah, for sure.
We're gonna take the bus. Hopefully we're more successful at figuring out the bus than we were at the train.
Yeah.
That was bad. We're now masters of public transportation. We've taken the bus, we've done it. That's the pinnacle.
Alright, so let's rent a paddleboard and go out. It's only 30 degrees. It's all good.
We should rent one of these. We need to figure out how to rent those. Those are really cool.
Yeah, get that. How do you read that? Anybody know how to read that?
Oh look, the Vasa, that way.
Oh, go to the left.
See, we can read the signs. We've arrived at Vasa Museum. What is in Vasa Museum, Alex?
A big boat.
Yes, you are correct. There she is. The Vasa. A really big old Swedish military ship that sunk like 100 years ago, about, or something.
That is sick.
Yeah, that's really cool. Do you know how long ago it sunk?
Oh, I don't know.
Warriors. Anyway, During this time, there were basically two major powers in the Baltic Sea. It was Sweden and Finland that visioned something was severely wrong, and you wondered, didn't anyone know this wasn't? 60 out of 64 cannons, and we don't really know why. There have been many speculations. The colors of the Vasa, they more resemble like design today, which is very subtle.
The Vasa was a very bad design.
You can jump that.
Yeah, I think I can make that jump. Yeah, Alex, you wanna know what I like?
The big boat.
Nice.
Picture is Victor. That's what he was saying.
How does this compare to the ship you lived on?
It's exactly
the same?
160 feet bigger than the one.
Oh.
And our draft is probably the same size. No, I'm just kidding.
I thought you were gonna say it was exactly the same size.
No.
Didn't your dad build this?
Oh yeah, he did.
Oh, I knew he was good at building ships. Well, actually, this one wasn't built very well. If your dad built this one, it would have not sunk, right?
Oh yeah, that's what I was saying.
You think you could take that guy in a fight, Alex? Stare at him. He's staring right at me. Have a staring competition. Who will win?
He's starting to sweat.
Those eyes, they'll look right in your soul. When in Sweden, you gotta get that myrrh. I don't know what that is. What exotic thing did you get? Oh, Fanta. That's not very exotic. I thought you were Swedish though.
Apparently, because everyone wants to speak Swedish to me, even though I'm speaking English.
It's because you go up and say, hey.
Hey.
You're Swedish now. Wait a second, are you eating Mexican food in Sweden?
That's weird, man.
That's not allowed. Oh wait, I got it too.
Oh.
Yes.
Next time, will Alex ever get out of bed? Will Miles become even more European? Will they ever learn how to use the train?